Hello. Okay, so my program uh, is for touring Accra. So it suggests places one can tour in Accra. Okay, and it shows the status, whether it's high priority, the category, and when it was created or added, and who created it. Okay, so when you go here, you see that I've added all the endpoints. Okay, the swagger, and also I've added all the validation. Okay, so let's go to the rest file. Let's see whether it works. Okay, so what it means is my server is not running, so npm start. Okay, so send request. So as you can see, even though we have to just add two collections, I've added all of them because this is the last week. Next week is not a full week. Okay, so the first query to get all works perfectly. Now let's just get only one. Copy the ID. Let's paste it here. Send request. So we've gotten only one out of it. Okay, so let's create another category called National Cathedral. Okay, so send request. As you can see, it has been created. Let's see whether it has been added to the database. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so we have it here. Alright, National Cathedral. Now let's go down. Created a place to visit. Now let's update it. So here we have the status to be not active. With a new one, we will be making the status abandoned and we will change the date. Okay, so send request. Okay, now it's because I have not copied the ID. Okay, so let's go copy the ID. Should be the last one. Copy, come to update, place, paste, let's send request again. Okay, so now it has been updated. Okay, so if you should go, okay, it has been updated, abandoned, and the date is 15th December. Okay, so now let's delete it. So let me just copy the ID. We are just testing whether all the queries work. So send request. So it has been deleted. When we go to the set of collections, you see that there is no National Cathedral. So locally the rest file works perfectly. Now let's go to Swagger. Okay, here as you can see, you have server is running and node is running on port 3000, and Swagger docs available at this URL. Okay, http local with 3000 /APIs/docs. Okay, so let's follow this link. Alright, so this is it. Okay, now let's test it to see whether it works. So try, execute. So as you can see, everything that we have in there, we have it here as well. Okay, so let's test it out to see that everything works perfectly fine. So copy. The second one is to create a new place. Okay, works perfectly fine. Okay, so because of my screen recorder, I would switch and show Swagger. Okay, using this link here in Chrome.